Give me a
मुझे
chair.
कॉपी दो,
Give me a
मुझे
copy.
मोबाइल दो,
Give me a
उसे
mobile.
मोबाइल दो.
Give him a mobile.
Hi Priyanshi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. Okay, tell me something about experience of English coaching. Can you tell?
Yeah, first day when I came to coaching, then I thought that English is not much tough, but it takes time to learn.
Okay.
Because I'm a English medium student, and for me it is not.
Big task.
I'm not thinking that English is tough, but for speaking, it takes time.
Okay.
And I'm not scared at that time that English is too tough. I'm scared only for your beating.
Okay. Acha. So it means when you came and you learned English and slowly. So is there any changes you have? Did you get any change in your habit or speaking or confident anything?
Yeah, I am more confident rather than before.
Okay.
And I thought that in my thinking and my conversation is also good.
Okay. Do you think that English medium student, Hindi medium student, CBSE student, or college student, anybody, they should learn English or at the earlier age, or they should learn when they need?
No, they should learn earlier.
Why?
Because it is nowadays English is essential for everyone.
Okay. Without English, can you get a very good job?
Yeah, we get, but it affects our personality also.
Okay. Means English is a knowledgeable thing. Okay. But it is more good for, we can say, improvement of your agitation or personality development.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you feeling comfortable with the English nowadays?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Good.